Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Marichu. So today's our flight to Philippines and we're just waiting for our taxi. I'm gonna miss my bed. Cookie. Oh my god, I look fat. So this is my airport fashion with some glasses. These are fake, guys. I just need it for when I'm literally on the plane and watching some movies because of the radiation from the screen. It's going to be 18 hours flight and we're gonna stop over in Abu Dhabi Airlines. No. Airport. So our airline is Etihad Airlines. Yeah. So yeah. This is my handbag, and of course let's not forget the eye mask. I need that. This is my hand carry luggage. Oh, featuring my mom. Gawas ba? Mom, I'm gonna borrow your bra. Huh? Okay guys, so I will update you once we're in the airport. See you later. See you later, alligator. What's up, guys?
Honey, 18.7.
We're trying to
weigh in the luggage because she knows.
Yeah, basically.
We might not get through.
1, 2, 3, 4. Thank you. Another upload.
Dito ka sayang.
It's a channel movie. I don't know. Bonk. So I got the chicken with mashed potatoes, and then they've got crackers, a bread with butter. I love these butter, guys. And I got Sprite. What's this?
I believe that's a yogurt. Okay.
What's it say? Mousse. So it's a dessert.
Chocolate mousse.
And which is still water. Yum. Sis, what about you? What are you
lamb
having?
with rice.
Lamb with rice. I don't eat lamb. Sorry. So I'm inside his face. Oh my god. Why is it blurry? Who's paying? Me, of course. Oh my god, look at that. So I bought these ones, a duo. These are the shades that I got. And then I got this shade and peached. So I got the baked shade for fluff night and what about lip dip. Hey guys, so I'm inside pen shop fitting room and I'm just gonna try this Actually, pang lalaki to. Pero sige na lang. Ito-try ko. Outfit of the day. Arm doors for departure and cross-check. Yeah, so good na. Hi! So meet up with my high school friends.
Racer!
Yeah! Uy!
Hey, pretty Japan okay ra?
Ano siya?
Makahamis magod.
Wait.
Okay, dayon. So, how's the pizza, guys? Ganahan na mo.
Ganahan mo?
Ganahan na mo sa. So, okay ra. Sa carbonara, lehan ra mo. Pila ilang carbonara bito? Ling lasa. Di persona. Zuma! Oh my God! So, we're here in Racer!
Racer.
Kuan sa to ganin ka ng party chuk-chuk.
Cute kayo lang kuan layout. Hey guys, so I wasn't able to update you since we arrived here in my hometown in Dumaguete. We've been very busy buying furnitures for our new house. So yeah, so far so good. Managed to buy my bed right over there and a wardrobe. That's my wardrobe. An air conditioner. So this is going to be my unfinished room tour. I will tour you guys around my room. Yeah. So we only bought a single bed because I want to utilize the space here in my room. So these are my luggage and some of my stuff. So that's my wardrobe with a mirror. So I don't need like a full body mirror. I also need to hang my clothes inside and also have a drawer, so that's good. So tomorrow we're gonna buy the what you call that one, anyways, it's for the curtains. Yeah, and I'm so happy because just this morning we bought the aircon. So yeah, tomorrow I'm gonna try and find a dressing table. I'm gonna put it right over there and with a small chair. So my theme is like gold and white. And then I think I'm gonna buy a nightstand. I'm gonna put it right over here where my luggage is, my suitcase. Nightstand and lampshade and a small chair. So yeah, hopefully everything goes as planned and hopefully my room will be looking all nice. So yeah, I haven't shown you guys my toilet yet. This is my toilet. These are all my stuff. So my skincare, just everything. My perfumes. These perfumes smell so good. Lady Million. And this mist, I got it from Body Shop. And this smells like vanilla, which is my favorite scent. And I just bought these this morning. These are like Glotamax lotion. It's a simple toilet, a simple room, but that's fine. So yeah, that's my unfinished room tour, and I will update you guys once I've, you know, bought more stuff for my room. So yeah, I'll just update you guys. Bye!